cricket balls and bats. Tough ride. Harris, Rauf. He's supposed to be quick.
He is quick, and he's only been bowling with a hard ball in the last couple of years. So someone found him in the backyard, Pakistan, and then he's been over in the West. He got injured, so he had a couple of games out. But expect, and I'm looking forward to seeing this.
Hero is Dale Steyn. Beats him outside the off-stump. 138 kp.
Better get a new radar gun. Thought that was a little quicker than that, remark. And there are Sydney up.
Yeah, I think it was how much to expect. That's into the gap. Single.
Well, I did see this young man in the UA or Abu Dhabi T20 tour.
Doesn't have a bad action. I think it's a repeatable action, which is good. Slow ball. The attempted slow ball, it's been given as a wide. That's a miscue. Needs a bit of chalk at the toe end. That's an excellent over. That really is well done. A little bit nervous, but he... It's a good strong drive down the ground, only a single. And so boundaries have been hard to come by. Just 7 runs from that over. 69 for the loss of 3 after 10 overs.
For Lahore to win this match, and it's looking good for Lahore, but it just takes one. Asking rate just creep. Picked up, and it's close.
Bowling at good pace, 100, he's looked pretty awesome.
And he just bowls the beaver. Well, Bazid coach might be numbered.
Up with that and a free hit, but he's trying for that Yorker again too well.
Saint Talat. Well, he tried to hit it very hard, and he only gets a single out to deep extra ball and gave the present. Didn't see that in the halfway time, did you? Didn't see that going on?
They're too busy.
Hit hard and brilliantly saved by A.B. de Villiers.
Just fantastic all over. But that's not too bad for AB. He can do much better than that, but set such high standards.
Dean there. A little bit more control. Oh, now then, picked up. What a nice noise that made.